Hey folks, Esther here. So today I am at a air show in Nebraska, Bellevue. As you can hear now, there's airplanes flying and performing. Wow, look, I hope you guys can see it, but it's the camera that I'm using. It's my another camera which has a wider angle. So yeah, can you see the plane over there? Can you see there's another one? There are just airplanes everywhere. Oh my god, this is my first time being to an air show, and I really enjoy it. It's so fantastic. You can see those planes in. I mean, you can see it very close. See all the details. And wow, see that plane over there? Oh my god. It's huge. And people, isn't it nice? So oh, nice, beautiful. Nice. I think my next thing that I'm gonna do in my life is probably getting a plane. I don't know, like a license for driving up airplane. Yeah, that'd be awesome. So hopefully I can do that, and it'll be fantastic. So yeah, so that's about it, and I'll enjoy the show, and I'll post random videos without me talking, hopefully, and enjoy. Bye.